Let's solve this. So 3 and 6 both are divisible by 3. 3 divided by 3 gives us 1 and 6 divided by 3 that gives us 2. Our expression becomes 20 divided by 2 and that gives us 10. But this answer is not right. Because according to the order of operations, we must solve parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication and division, and finally addition and subtraction. Remember, if in any expression we have both multiplication and division present, we must work from left to right, and same applies to addition and subtraction. Now let's rewind and solve this problem the right way. If you notice, in this expression we have division and multiplication operators present. In between we have a fraction involved too. So this expression is not 20 divided by 1 divided by 3 times 6, is 20 divided by 1 over 3. That's important to understand. 1 over 3 is a fraction here. According to the rules, multiplication and division have equal priority, but it's also mentioned here that we must work from left to right. So we should solve this part first. So 20 divided by 1 over 3. There's a number getting divided by a fraction, and easiest thing to do here is to apply KCF rule, keep, change and flip. Keep means we keep 20 as it is. Change means we change the division operator to multiplication, and flip means we flip 1 over 3 as 3 over 1. 3 over 1 can be written as 3 and times 6 available from the original expression. Now we have two multiplication operators present. Just follow simple rule, work from left to right. So 20 times 3, that gives us 60. And finally 60 times 6, that gives us 360, which is the final and correct answer to this problem. Thank you for watching. Please like the video, comment your answers and subscribe to our channel.